Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, I have two hidden tricks that make the OnePlus Open even better for everyone. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have two hidden tricks that your OnePlus Open can do, and it's actually pretty cool. It can do two things that the Z Fold 5 can do, and I know a couple people mentioned in my comments, like, hey, the OnePlus Open can't do this, so it actually can. I don't know why OnePlus hasn't marketed it at all. I don't know why, no one's really talking about it, but I need to give a shout out to a Reddit user by the name of Buzz115. He showed me what this can do as far as the clamshell mode on the OnePlus Open, and I kind of accidentally figured out the tent mode by just watching a video and putting it down, but that is it. The OnePlus Open has clamshell mode and tent mode. If you don't know what that is, you can open your phone and put it down like this, the Z Fold 5, and watch a video easily. It does it automatically, and you can hold it, no big deal. Or you can watch a video like this. On the OnePlus Open, no one talked about it, and if you try to do it, it doesn't work all the time if you're holding your phone up, and I'm going to show you what I mean by that. Hopefully I don't make the video too long, but let's just bring up a video. So go to YouTube. Say you're watching your favorite tech YouTuber, RP3 Tech Reviews, and you are watching a video like this. I don't have any sound on, so say you're watching a video like this, and you're like, man, I just need to cook something, but I don't want to put my phone down like this and watch the video. I want to watch it like this. You don't have a kickstand or anything. You can, so now if you try to do this, like if you have it like this, you try to open it, and what happens? It goes to your big screen, and then you can do flex mode if you wanted to, but who wants to do that? You want to do it like a tent, and you actually can do that. And all you have to do is when you open your phone, if you place it down, guess what happens? It automatically goes into tent mode for you. Pretty simple, pretty cool. I don't know what apps else you can do it with. I just know YouTube, I kind of figured out. The Reddit post also mentions you can do it that way, which is easy. So that is tent mode, which the Z Fold 5, like I said, can do automatically. This one, you just have to kind of have it there. Now, if you pick it up and don't move it around, you can do it too. But as long as it's on flat, it will recognize it and do tent mode. The other one is clamshell. So if you do clamshell like that, it just doesn't work. There's a trick to the madness. So I'm going to clear this out. Leave that open. And then what you want to do is, this is what that guy, the user Buds, showed me, is you could go to camera. You want to take like you're doing a selfie. And then when you flip it over, instead of just taking a selfie, if you scroll up, swipe up, you go back to YouTube. And now you have clamshell mode. And it will play the video. And it works just like that, and you have clamshell and tent mode on the OnePlus Open. That is pretty cool. That competes with the Z Fold 5, because like I said, a couple people in my comments mentioned that the OnePlus didn't have it. OnePlus is not marketing it anywhere, but you have clamshell and tent mode on there. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So if you want to do a tent mode, bam, just like that, you have tent mode on the OnePlus Open. Just another little feature there with the OnePlus Open, making this phone a real competitive phone, folding phone for the US market. I will have links to the Reddit post, so that way you can go give that man, the user Buds, a shout out, give him a credit for this video. Also, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the OnePlus Open. Also, make sure you're following me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.